Well, guess what my owner brought from town? Yep, look, I'm wearing it. Do I not look stupid as hell? Yeah, right. Who puts a damn coat like this on a cat? And look at the stupid sunglasses. Good God. Yeah, I think she believes that she's going to take me out in town. Well, look, now, she's getting out her camera. Oh, God, she's taking pictures of me. Good Lord. You know, these humans need to be evaluated. What is wrong with these people?